Directions? We don't need no directions. No self-respecting manly man would ever dream of stopping to ask for directions. We're never lost, just temporarily directionally challenged. It's nothing we can't handle and figure out on our own, even if we have to return home and start over. And we never need to read the instructions before assembling a newly purchased item. Some assembly required is calling our name, and the more some, the better. Whether a four-piece child's toy or a whole house solar panel system, we can figure it out on our own. And ladies, don't give us that look. We know what we're doing. Okay, maybe that was a bit of an exaggeration, but we've all been there, done that, haven't we? I'm sure some of you may have given in to your wife and gone into a store, bought a soda, and pretended to ask directions just to make her stop giving you that look. Now, this mindset can be somewhat funny months or years later when it comes to finding a friend's house or putting together Barbie's house. But if that's our approach to God, it's decidedly unfunny and downright dangerous, deadly even. Our current American culture is very much in a choose your own path, who needs directions mindset about how to worship our Creator. And if we challenge someone's chosen path, we get the look, if not a sharp, mind your own business response. Well, whether we like it or not, God did not say, love me and do as you please. Instead, he said emphatically, love me and keep my commandments, John 14:23. In fact, his exact words were, if anyone loves me, he will keep my word, and my Father will love him, and we will come to him and make our abode with him. He who does not love me does not keep my words, and the word which you hear is not mine, but the Father's who sent me, verses 23 and 24. In other words, God gave us his directions on how to worship him and expects us to follow them. We see that same pattern back at Sinai with the construction of the tabernacle and its furnishings. Let them construct a sanctuary for me that I may dwell among them, according to all that I am going to show you, as the pattern of the tabernacle and the pattern of all its furniture, just so you shall construct it. Exodus 25, verses 8 and 9. God was going to show Moses how he wanted it built and its furniture, and wanted Moses to have it built just like what he saw. Some versions translate the word exactly like he saw. Yes, God has always been serious about us following his directions and of building according to his instructions. God was willing to dwell with them, but insisted they do it his way. So why do so many think we can do it our way now with God's full approval and endorsement? If we insist on serving God our way, then we are in full rebellion against God. We're enslaved to sin. Do you not know that when you present yourself to someone as slaves for obedience, you are slaves of the one whom you obey, either of sin resulting in death or of obedience resulting in righteousness? Romans 6:16. Who needs directions? We all do. Who needs instructions? We all do. So turn to God's Word and find out how to go his way, how to build our life according to his instructions. Make yourself a slave of righteousness instead of sin and death. Well, until tomorrow's Morning Minutes in the Bible, this is James McClenny hoping you have a great day.